So all the promises made to you were broken by your boyfriend just with some action over social networking sites. Remember that moment when he promised to stay with you forever, and today all the ties were broken just with a single block. You must be feeling lost, angry, worried, upset and completely in despair. So many questions must be revolving in your head, including why this happened and what should be done next. Everything was so smooth, and just because of a small argument, he blocked you without any discussion. Is it permanent? Is it over? Was he waiting for such a chance so that he could block you and end this relationship? All these questions, negative thoughts and beautiful memories start revolving in your mind immediately, isn't it? He blocks you over all the social networking sites, and it becomes necessary to know why you were blocked for self-satisfaction, or else all these negative thoughts haunts you for sure. Well, if he blocked you, there could be several reasons behind it, and you would know the reason much better than me. But if in case you don't have any idea why he blocked you, these three might be the possible reasons behind it. Before I discuss about the possible reasons, do you want to become a high value woman who can attract any guy with a blink of an eye and make him completely obsessed with her? Well, I have personally written an ebook where I have disclosed some untold secrets of making your man feel an everlasting love for you and only you forever. If you want your guy to give you maximum care, time and attention, download my ebook for free only for a limited time. The link to this free ebook is in the description box below. So here are the 3 reasons why he may have blocked you. Reason number 1, communication becomes more painful than ignorance. Sometimes communication becomes too painful and irritating that blocking seems to be a better idea. The saying goes that if you want to preserve a relationship, ignore the bitterness, and this is why sometimes blocking remains the only option to escape. Reason number 2, his intention is to hurt you. When your man knows that his absence is going to hurt you and you had done something that had pinched him, then blocking is the simplest way to hurt you. Reason number 3, most of the time emotion fails and logic wins. If you have done something unacceptable that he was not expecting you to do, in that situation, blocking is a natural reaction that comes out from a man. Reason number 4, he wanted to prove his importance. Blocking seems to be the easiest way for any partner to show how much they matter in your daily life. So now you know the reason why he has blocked you, but you want to know what you can do to get him back and get your relationship back to normal again, isn't it? Here are some of the solutions that could solve everything between you both. You could follow all or some of these methods as per your understanding. Number 1, learn to control your reaction and stay confident. You must be planning to call him directly from some other number and thrash him, but hold that emotion and try to allow him some time. The way that he is important to you, in a similar way you are equally important to him. If you both are angry at that moment, there are chances that it may result in a heated argument and the relationship may come to a tragic end. Remember, in this situation, you chasing him may result in him pushing away from you. Do not beg for his attention and do not take the role of a detective. Number 2, maintaining distance is the best healer. It is never easy to accept the fact that the same person who was staying with you over calls 24/7 has now blocked you, but it becomes important to give some space to him as well as to your own self. Let him relax and give yourself some time to relax as well. In case if he has decided to have different roads, it would seem pointless to chase him. Rather than that, focus on your life which you have ignored for so long. Establish a no contact phase in your relationship. If you don't know what that's about, watch my other videos related to no contact rule on my channel. Catch up with your girlfriends and watch your favorite movie with your favorite drink. Start visiting the gym, as it would give you a chance to channelize your energy in a positive way. If you are staying alone without your parents, then either you can drop at their place or can invite them to stay with you for some days. Try to do something constructive in your life. Move on in your life and try to go with the flow. Number 3. Be cool and calm and don't show yourself desperate. There are times when you may be ready to go to any extent, but hold it dear. Trust me, anything done out of desperation or anger will worsen the situation. Sometimes out of sight remains in mind. Remember this logic and try not to reach him. If you do not reach out to him to talk, it will play with his psychology and he will come running back to you in a short period of time. Trust me, I talked to so many girls and it has happened with each and every one of them. Prove to him that you are not ready to show your presence where you are not required. Life is full of surprises. Sometimes what we want others to learn in our presence can only be learned in our absence. It may be that he wants to do the same. Try to observe the situation, then to react. Number 4. Trade off between your self-respect or giving relationship a second chance. There may be instances when he reverts back after blocking you for some time. It is totally your call whether to respond back or not. Remember, the person who can block you once can block you again as well. If you will support his behavior once, it will be repeated soon. Recently, a friend of mine got blocked twice by her boyfriend in a month. Remember, you too have a self-respect that needs to be maintained, and the two of you are in a relationship and not only you. A relationship is a mutual understanding between two people, and whenever one wants to dominate, it comes to a very frustrating level. Be very sure before responding back after being unblocked. Number 5. Beware of fake attention-seeking actions. Even if your boyfriend blocked you, there are high chances that he may try to keep an eye on you. I am sharing instances from my personal experience of coaching women in their relationship. The moment a guy observes that him blocking you doesn't affect you, he will immediately call and ask you that how can you chill when he has already blocked you. Even if he wants to get rid of you, your ignorance will pinch his ego hard and he will call after some days for sure. So, clicking pictures while relaxing with your girls, check-ins at cool places, pictures with your male friends and success stories often offend him. He will surely turn back after that. Do not overdo things. Sometimes let your common friends be intermediaries to dictate your story to your boyfriend rather than any social networking platform. Be a mystery than a book. But remember to do things to please yourself, as you are really frustrated at this moment and must be feeling betrayed. Life is full of ups and downs, and try to accept each flaw of life positively. Sometimes these are the signs that you needed time to give your 100% to the relationships. Sometimes girls fail to realize that life exists beyond your boyfriend as well. You start ignoring all existing relationships to please your boyfriend, and lately his ignorance makes you realize that any relationship is not worthy of ignoring others. Life teaches this lesson unknowingly, and in this situation you need to be a good student rather than a cranky child. I hope that you got some tips on how you can get your boyfriend to unblock you and how you need to control your emotions during this difficult phase. Please share your experiences in the comment section below so everyone can learn and get more ideas on how to deal in this situation. Like and share this video with your friends as well. Please subscribe to the channel University of Obsession for more videos on relationship and dating advice. And yeah, if you want your guy to be obsessed with you over and over and how you can be a true high value woman, check out my free ebook which I personally wrote. I can promise you that you will learn some really shocking and surprising facts about love and obsession that you may not have heard anywhere before. The link to this free ebook is in the description box below. Meet you in the next video. See ya!